Everything you heard about making money is a lie. Everything you learned about money in school and work is a lie. That's because making money on YouTube is actually easy. Because it's a passive income source, and you can even make money while you are sleeping. And the best feeling is when you open up your phone and you have notifications that you made 50 bucks, 100 bucks a day. I am not saying that just to flex or anything. I'm saying that solely because it's possible. And I'm going to show you how you can pretty much turn your YouTube channel into a monetization machine that actually makes you real money. So first things first, your Minecraft channel is not going to make thousands of dollars. What you really need is a skill that actually helps you make money. You can easily learn a skill by just setting your mind on something. Read some books about some skills or take an online course. After finding the perfect skill, practice it every day and improve it. Let's take a simple example. If you are an expert at just going through Facebook every day and reacting to memes, then make a reaction channel and try to make reaction videos. And don't overthink titles, thumbnails, or SEO. Just try to maintain that skill, practice it, and make videos. Eventually, you will make progress. After you make progress, try to sell your skills by creating an online course or product in exchange for money. What is CEF? Let me teach you. C means copywriting. The first thing you want to improve is your copywriting skills. No matter which niche you're making videos on, you need to improve your copywriting skills. For that, I recommend you watching some YouTube tutorials regarding that or watching a course. After that, try to learn about what is hooking your viewer, key things to mention in the script, and so much more. You will improve these things as you move on with making videos. Start to write 1 script a day, 5 titles a day, and try to learn about keywords. If you do these things consistently, you will make progress, believe me. S is SEO. That include how to put correct channel keywords, titles, and how to rank your videos, how to make your videos viral, and much more. The next thing is F. F means funnel. So let me teach you what is funnel. Funnel means a website where you can showcase your skills and a platform where others also can join and learn from you by paying you. It's more like selling a course, but you are actively there to help your students. The most important thing about all of this is to make valuable, informative videos. Try to make a better video than the last video. Try to improve video by video. If you follow these simple steps, you can also make more money than an average guy who works 9-to-5 job. So there you go. If you have learned anything at all from this video, subscribe and like this video and share, so other small YouTubers also can make money.